everybody, it's Alyek here at CES 2025. When I think of the future, I think robots. So let's meet some of the cute, cool, or just useful robots here at CES. Let's go! Presented by the United States Air Force. I'm here at the Loona booth, and I'm actually here with Loona. I was just giving Loona some pets, and I think Loona likes some pets, doesn't she? So let's actually talk about how Loona works. So we have, what specs do we have here for Loona?
Well, Loona is our AI Petbot, and we hope Loona is not only for kids only, maybe also for adults, even elder people, every member of your family. Really be a great companion to all your family members. She speaks 15 languages, so you can switch it in the app. And with the app, you can find more games like there are her toys, like she can do ball chasing or bullfighting. And you can, with the app, you can do the remote control if you're not around.
So how does Loona see the ball? Where is, she has a camera? What kind of camera does she have?
Yeah, she has 2 cameras. When Loona comes, I will show you. Just give it to us.
Oh!
And you can see here, there are 2 cameras. This camera allows Loona to recognize who the owner. Like, obviously Loona can know where the people, but with this camera, she can recognize 5 faces, so she can react to these faces differently. And this camera with the 3D top sensor in, that allows Loona to know where the obstacles, so she can avoid it. That allows Loona to navigate her home. She can charge herself automatically. Once she gets fully recharged, according to her settings, she can leave the dock and play with herself. And then if the battery is going to die, she will return to the dock again to check herself.
So if you wake up in the morning, you could find Loona somewhere in the house, maybe playing with the ball or doing her own thing?
Yeah. And you also can set the time in the app. For example, if you want Loona to open her day from 7 to 10, you can totally do it with your app.
So for anybody that fell in love with Loona, I just fell in love with Loona. How can we get Loona?
And now we have it on Amazon and also our official website, Loona website.
Well, there you go, everybody. If you fell in love with Loona just like I did, now you know where you can find her. All right, I'm gonna go play with Loona some more, and I'll see you guys in just a moment. I'm here with Wen at SwitchBot, and one of these got an award here at CES. We need to learn about the K20 Pro, is it?
Yeah, this is the K20 Plus Pro. It's our latest multitasking household robot. So the idea of this entire product is derived from this question that has been perpetually haunting our founder, which is that, do we really need a humanoid robot? Because, at this very stage, it's really expensive and it doesn't really seem like a really realistic product. So this is actually some sort of examination that he came up with in order to tackle this question. So he kind of breaks down all the missions that we think we need from the human robot, and then have all this entire setup to do the task for us.
How many configurations can you actually make with these?
I would say only the sky is the limit. When it's integrated with a platform, it becomes some sort of mobile patrol team for you. Because you can actually remotely control this thing like an RC toy. So you can have it go wherever within your house that you would like it to go. You can use this camera to check up on your pets, your kids, your family members, and you can even talk to them through this camera. And then when you integrate the air purifier with our mobile platform, it will conduct multi-spot air purification. So let's say you're far away from home, but you want to improve the indoor air quality at your house before you get back, you can just remotely control this one and have it turn on to go around your house and to conduct air purification in each one of the room. But my personal favorite is definitely this one. So you can actually also integrate the circulator fan with our mobile platform, and that way you can actually have this whole thing drive around your house for a whole house air circulation. And the very last one, which is also something that I find really interesting, the camera is actually connected to a communication port. That is the communication port, which means that you can actually use your own camera.
If you want to get your own SwitchBot and keep an eye out for the folding laundry robot, then you can head on over to SwitchBot or Amazon.com. I had to stop by because I just fell in love with Jennie, and I'm here with Thomas Stevens from Tombot, the CEO, and we have to talk about Jennie. Can I pet her? Wait, is she warm? She's warm!
So inspired by my mother, who after she was diagnosed with Alzheimer's dementia, I had to take away her dog for safety reasons. These puppies are designed to help treat the behavioral and psychological symptoms of dementia, reducing their need for certain medications, including psychotropics. Our goal is for our puppies to be the first to be FDA medical devices. She has 5 mechanical subsystems. Her mouth opens and closes, but not just open and close, a lot of fine expressiveness, and she makes a lot of different sounds, modeled after an 8 to 10 week old Labrador Retriever puppy with actual puppy sounds. Her eyes open and close, the ears move, the head and neck, and of course the tail moves. And the reason she moves is that she's covered with sensors. She can feel how and where she's touched. She can tell the difference between a simple touch, a slow caress, vigorous pet, and being held. She responds to a long list of voice commands, but only to her name. We come with a companion smartphone app that allows users to rename the robot, and then once named, she'll only respond to that given name. She can feel herself being moved, so if she's picked up, she knows she shouldn't squirm and risk being dropped. And a variety of other sensors to help her understand her environment, make an inference as to what that might mean, and exhibit a behavior that's appropriate to that context. And part of our technology is the potential for unlimited categories of behaviors and unlimited behaviors within a given category, so the users will never experience repetition.
You mentioned that you can select multiple personalities. Can we dive into that?
People can program behaviors that they either want more of or want less of. For example, many seniors with dementia have a lot of difficulty stimulating a robot to be interactive. Many of them are nonverbal at certain point, or they have trouble actually touching the robot and initiating it. So we can configure the robot to be more active, more easily stimulated, or on its own initiate a lot of activity. On the other end of the spectrum, there are people that have fears of dogs, so canophobia. And the barking can be a really unpleasant startle for them. And so we can turn off the barking behavior, not just mute the bark, but turn off the behavior entirely and disable all rapid movements. So the robot's always very calm, very soothing, and allow people who may not be able to get near a puppy otherwise have the opportunity to experience what it's like to have a pet companion. We're in final alpha pre-production now. We'll be in beta testing shortly. Once those are working right, we'll ramp up production. People can join our waitlist at our website, and we hope to get puppies into people's hands before the end of 2025.
All right, Jenny, I gotta go keep exploring the show floor. Bye, Jenny. Those robots were so cool. I can't wait to see how they evolve in the future. I'm going to keep exploring CES to see what else I can find here, but for all things tech and robots, keep it locked to IGN.